Habari za jioni. Yeah, my name is Zakaria and I'm the best Swahili teacher, the best Swahili tutor from Tanzania and Dar es Salaam. And kindly welcome you to share with you a short insight in Swahili class. So I want to share you a simple insight in Swahili, especially on how you can make the negative form in the present tense, and specifically for the monosyllabic verbs, because this is one of the challenging part in learning Swahili, especially for the non-native speakers. So we have the common monosyllabic verbs like ninakula, ninakuja, ninakuwa, ninakunywa, and ninakufa. So these are the present verbs coming from the monosyllabic verbs. So how are you going to make the negative form of these sentences like ninakula, I'm eating, ninakuja, I'm coming, ninakunywa, I'm drinking. So most of my learners and most of some people whom I've come to meet, they are mostly confusing. But I want to show you the simple way on how you can make the negative form on these particular verbs, especially these monosyllabic verbs. So you can take a look to my board here, and you can see how you can make it. So this is my board. Then I can show you how you can do. So suppose you have this sentence, the verb like ninakula, ninakula, ninakula. So ninakula simply means I am eating. So how am I going to say I'm not eating in Swahili? So in order to make this negative form, you are going to begin with the negative prefix of this personal pronoun, the first person pronoun ni. So the first person pronoun ni negative is si. Then this na is the tense mark, the tense mark for present tense. Then you are going to drop it. You are going to drop this na. This na is always dropped is always dropped in the present tense negative. Then this ku, which is used to form the infinitive verb, the gerund, then it is also dropped. Then you remain with the monosyllabic verb, which is la, This is la. But always the final verb, the final vowel a in the negative is changed from a to I. Then it's going to be silly. So this is the negative form of ninakula. I am not eating. So some learners tend to say sikuli. If you say sikuli, that's not correct. That's not a correct grammatical way of speaking Swahili. So the correct one is si. So we get the correct one here is silly. So silly, that means I'm not eating. This is what we do. Another monosyllabic verb in the present tense is ninakuja, 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 ninakuja. So ninakuja simply means I'm coming. Ninakuja, ninakuja, I am coming. So how are you going to say I'm not coming in Swahili. So as normal, the ni, the negative prefix for ni is si, is si, si like this. So as normal, the present tense mark na is always dropped, and the ku of infinitive or gerund is also dropped like this. So we remain with the monosyllabic verb, which is supposed to be ja, but the a is always dropped. The a is always changed from a to I. So this becomes CG. So in order to say I'm not coming, you're going to say CG, CG. So CG, that means I'm not coming. So instead of saying Sikuji, which is not correct, then you say CG, CG. Oh, I'm not coming. CG, CG, CG. Okay. And the last monosyllabic verb here for today is nina kunywa. Nina kunywa. Nina kunywa. Nina kunywa. Nina kunywa means I am drinking. So you can be maybe drinking some water, drinking some tea, drinking coffee, and any liquid that you can drink. So how are you going to say I'm not drinking in Swahili? So as normal, we begin with the negative prefix. The negative, this is the ni, this is the positive personal pronoun prefix. So its negative is always C. C. As our rules in the present tense, we normally drop the tense marker na, and also drop the ku of infinitive or gerund. Then we remain with the monosyllabic verb, which is nywa, nywa. But remember, the final vowel a is changed to I in the negative. Then this becomes sinywi, sinywi, sinywi. So sinywi, sinywi. This is the correct way of I'm not drinking. So if you are not, you say if you wish to say I'm not drinking alcohol, then you're going to say sinywi pombe, sinywi pombe. So this is how we do on how you make the negative form, the negative sentences in the present moment. So that is my short insight that I wish to share with you. So you let me know in the comment, how are you going to say this word in the negative form of this word, like ninakuwa, 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 or maybe the second one is ninakufa, ninakufa. But how about ninakumbuka, ninakumbuka, ninakumbuka? Can you tell me the negative form of these verbs? So that is my my short lesson that I wish to share with you this evening. So I'm kindly welcome you to learn Swahili with me. Just book your online Swahili so that you can learn Swahili very nicely. So please book your online Swahili lesson, and I hope to see you soon. Thank you so much. Karibu sana and kwaheri.